Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz 2020. It's the 30th match in round 1 and the scores are Norman Manley High on 12 points, Clarendon College on 18 points. Now let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible knowledge. The priests of Israel were descendants of which? Clarendon College.
Levi
Is correct. Which of Jacob's sons? Biology. A fibrous polysaccharide, which is the major constituent of the exoskeleton of arthropods and the cell walls of fungi. Clarendon College.
Chitin.
Correct. Yes. Chitin is the way it's pronounced, but we'll accept. English language. Does the word lucrative mean suspicious, mysterious, or Clarendon College.
Profitable.
Correct. Local affairs. It's a visual question. Teams, look at the screen and identify the person, please. Clarendon College.
Marilyn Manley.
Correct. That's the Attorney General. Chemistry. What is the name of the silvery metal of the platinum group, which has the highest density of all elements? Osmium is what we're looking for. Music and audio question teams. Listen to the clip and give the title of the song, please. Norman Manley.
Beat it.
Correct. General knowledge. In classical mythology, who is the Greek counterpart of the Roman god Mars? Clarendon College.
Aries.
That's correct. Spanish. What is agua caliente?
Hot water.
Clarendon College.
Hot water.
Hot water.
Correct. Geography. The Yangtze and Yellow rivers are connected by which canal? The Grand Canal is the answer. Theatre and cinema, it's a visual question. Teams, look at the screen, please, and identify the person. That's Johnny Depp. Information technology, what is the name for any device that is connected to the network? Clarendon College?
Peripheral.
No. What is the name of any device that is connected to the network, including computers, printers, hubs, switches, and routers? It's node. History. Which city of the Roman Empire was destroyed in the 1st century by an eruption of nearby Mount Vesuvius? Sorry. Pompeii. Mathematics, if x equals 3, y equals -2, and z equals 4, what is x cubed plus y squared plus 2z? The bell came first. The answer is 39. Physics. What is the assumed average mass in kilograms of an adult as used in determining elevator passenger carrying capacity? The answer is 75 kilos. Sports is a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. Clarendon College.
Roberto
Firmino.
Correct. Jamaican heritage, complete the Jamaican proverb. Fire there. Clarendon College.
Tinka cool breeze.
Correct. Fire there must still. And French, what is the English equivalent of the idiom que tu lis, you do tête? To cost an arm and a leg. Literature, give the full name of the author of the collection Anti-Rochisse. Clarendon College.
Louis Coverley.
That's correct. Art. Which Jamaican artist created the work View from Halfway Tree? The answer to that is Devon Harvey, though we don't have the time. So that's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Norman Manley High on 14 points and Clarendon College on 34 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.